We found out after the season was over that LSU's Daniel Dickinson played the last month with a broken hamate. What can you tell us about what that must have been like for Dickinson over the last month?
I think when I found out about that, just like everyone else, is super impressed with his toughness. And this is an injury that really happens batting most of the time. And so for a right-handed hitter, it's usually your left hand, your hand that's touching the knob of the
Yeah.
bat. And if you think about as you're swinging through and making that contact, and your hand is kind of rolling over that knob, that's rolling over that part of the hand where the hamate is. And so if you look at people's batting gloves and things like that, oftentimes you can see a lot of wear and tear in that spot. And sometimes it's a stress injury that just, that repetitive stress over and over just breaks it. Sometimes it's something traumatic, but either way, it's a very painful thing. Most of the time, the treatment for it is to go in there and take that bone out. Sometimes you can go in there and fix it, but most of the time you're doing a surgery to excise that piece of bone. But then you're usually out about 6 weeks if you have surgery for that. So obviously, from a timeline standpoint, I think he probably looked at that and talked to his team and said, okay, I'm gonna push through that. So for several weeks after that, push through with a very painful injury and continue to get out there and contribute to the team is really impressive.